Today I'm showing you a quick and reliable way to unlock sensitive content on Telegram, no matter if you're using Android or iOS. If you've ever run into the frustrating "this message cannot be displayed" warning and wondered how to fix it, this is the tutorial for you. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to access sensitive channels and media and understand why Telegram filters content the way it does. Alright, let's jump in. The trick here is actually to use the Telegram desktop application. Many people try to tweak settings on their phones, but due to Google Play and the App Store's stricter rules, those versions of Telegram simply don't let you adjust sensitive content controls directly. The official desktop app, though, gives you access to those privacy options. Think of it as taking a shortcut through the back door. The desktop app allows you to manage settings that get applied across all your devices, even your phone. First, you'll need to download and install the official Telegram desktop app. If you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux, Telegram provides a free app directly from their website. Just open your browser, go to telegram.org, and pick the desktop version that matches your operating system. Don't be tempted by unofficial versions. It's important you use the official app for security and compatibility. Once you've downloaded the installer, double-click to launch it and follow the instructions. This part might take a few moments, depending on your internet speed and how fast your computer is. After installation, open the Telegram desktop app. If Telegram asks you to log in, grab your phone and scan the QR code, or enter your phone number and reply to the verification message. Don't worry, this sync is pretty seamless and your chats pull through immediately. Now let's be thoughtful with the next step, unlocking sensitive content. In the Telegram desktop app, look for the Settings button. On Windows and Mac, you'll usually find it in the lower left corner, shaped like a little gear. Click that, and from the menu that appears, navigate to Privacy and Security. Take your time browsing this section. It's where Telegram gathers all the tools that help you control who sees what and how the app handles sensitive material. Scroll until you find the Sensitive Content option. Here, Telegram lets you turn off filtering, meaning channels or media flagged as not displayed due to sensitive content will now be fully visible. Just switch that off. Telegram designs these filters because both Google and Apple require stricter moderation in their mobile apps, but your desktop app isn't limited by these rules. Remember, once you change this setting, your account's preferences sync across all devices, so yes, your phone will now display content that was previously blocked. Imagine it like flipping a master switch that adjusts your access everywhere. If you don't see the option right away, pause and check for app updates or give Telegram desktop a restart. Sometimes features roll out gradually, so don't stress, just make sure your app is fully up to date, and that's it. You've taken full control of your Telegram content settings, freeing up access on both desktop and mobile. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment below if you have any other Telegram questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.